Hello, I'm sick today, so I won't be able to teach class, but I thought I'd show you how to do all the questions in the exercise. So it's like I'm there anyway. Okay, question 1, just multiplying two surds together. So we do j, 3 times root 7 squared, or 3 squared is 9, times root 7 squared, that's just 7. So the answer is 63. Okay, remember that root of x squared is just x. Next one, question 2. Let's do g. 10 divided by 5, well that's just 2. Root 14 divided by root 2, well that's just root 7. That one's easy. Question 3, we're just expanding the brackets. So root 7 times 7 is 7 root 7 minus 2 times, well root 7 times 7 is going to be just 7. So it's root 49, but we can simplify that to 7 root 7 minus 2 times 7, which is 7 root 7 minus 14. Let's go to question 4e. So we've got 4 root 12 times root 3. Well, that's going to be 4 times 12 times 3 is root 36. However, we know that root 36 is just going to be 6. It's 4 times 6, so the answer is 24. Question 5. Okay, a bit harder expanding brackets. 3 root 3 times 9, well 3 times 9 is 27. Got 27 root 3. Minus 3 root 3 times root 21, well that's going to be 3. 3 times root 21 is root 63. Now, we know that 9 goes into 63, so it's going to be 27 root 3 minus 3 times root 9 times root 7. So that's going to be 27 root 3 minus 3 times 3 root 7. So we've got 27 root 3 minus 9 root 7. You can probably take some shortcuts there, but I'm taking the long way just in case. Question 6. Okay, so we've got some slightly harder questions now. Okay, so we've got root 7 times 2 root 7. Root 7 times root 7 is 7, so it's 2 times 7, so that's 14. Root 7 times 5 is 5 root 7. Negative 2 times 2 root 7 is negative 4 root 7. And negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. And we can simplify that. Well, 14 minus 10 is 4. 5 root 7 minus 4 root 7 is just 1 root 7. So, is plus 1 root 7. Okay, question 7. This is just using the trick where a minus b times a plus b, difference of two squares, is a squared minus b squared. So, 2 root 6 squared, well, 2 squared is 4, root 6 squared is just 6, so 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9, so 24 minus 9, so we have 15. So it's actually a whole number. I'll do the other one, f. So 7 squared is 49. Now, minus 2 root 5 squared, well 2 squared is 4, root 5 squared is just 5, so it's 20, and the final answer is 29. Let's continue. Question 8. Here we're using the squared trick. So we know that a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you square the first, multiply them, and double, square the second. Okay, so with this one, 2 root 7 squared is, well, 2 squared is 4, root 7 squared is 7, so 4 times 7 is 28. Now, 2 root 7 times root 5, well, root 7 times root 5 is root 35, so we've got 2 root 35, and we double it to make 4 root 35. And finally, root 5 squared is just 5. So we've got 28 plus 4 root 35 plus 5. We can simplify that to 33 plus 4 root 35. Okay. Now challenge questions. Question 9. Root 15 times root 20 divided by root 12. Okay. So if you've got roots, you can treat them the same as normal simplification. Okay, so we can actually cross out a 4 from top and bottom, so that becomes root 5, and that becomes root 3. We also cross out 3 top and bottom, that becomes root 5, and that just becomes root 1. So we've got root 5 times root 5 is root 25 over root 1. Well, that's just 5 over 1, or just 5. Okay, so same simplification rules. Okay, we want to find Pythagoras, use Pythagoras theorem to find the right angle triangle in which the two short sides are these lengths. Okay, so we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we want root 7 plus 1 squared plus root 7 minus 1 squared is going to be, well, let's see, root 7 squared is 7, 1 times root 7 is root 7, double it is 2 root 7, 1 squared is 1. Same for the second one, except we've got a minus, so it's 7 minus 2 root 7 plus 1, and notice that the 2 root 7's cancel out, and we're left with 16, which we know is our c squared, which means the hypotenuse is the square root of 16, which is just 4. Finally, it's actually a question which leads into next week, but we do it here. We want to simplify, make a common denominator. There's a trick here because you notice that the two denominators are the same except one's got a plus, one's got a minus. So, cross multiply, we've got 3 times 2 root 5 plus root 7 minus 3 times 2 root 5 minus root 7 over 2 root 5 minus root 7 times 2 root 5 plus root 7. Okay, I'm running out of space, so I'll finish the rest of the question up here. Sorry about that. So, we've got 6 root 5, but it's going to be cancelled out by minus 6 root 5. So we've got 3 root 7 plus another 3 root 7, so we're going to have 6 root 7 on the top. Okay, you could work that out yourself. The bottom is going to be, well, 2 root 5 squared. 2 squared is 4, root 5 squared is 5, 4 times 5 is 20. and root 7 squared is 7. So our final answer is 6 root 7 over 13. Now notice that we've got a rational denominator, and we'll work on that next time. If you've got any questions about any of the work, please just email me and I'll try and get back to you sometime today if I'm awake. Thanks.